Hello everyone, Badru with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. So as you can see, I have my voice message does not work for me. So if we want to fix this problem, first of all, you need to force quit the WhatsApp. So simply, first of all, close the WhatsApp and then slide from the bottom to the top like this and slide the WhatsApp to the top, and that's how you will force quit WhatsApp, and basically it can work for you, and now you can go back to WhatsApp and check if everything is fine or not. But if the problem still persists, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to open settings on your device, scroll down a little bit and open general settings here. Now go and click for iPhone storage, and here in the list of application you need to find WhatsApp. You simply search for it like this and choose WhatsApp, and now we'll need to upload the app to delete the cache of the application, because cache may be the reason why we get this type of problem. So simply click on upload app and then confirm the action clicking on upload app again, and that is how we will delete the cache and go and reinstall the app and go and check if the problem is gone or not. If the problem still persists, I'll suggest you to check if your volume is more than the 0 or not. So you need to simply scroll from the top right corner to the bottom and you will get this type of menu, and now increase the volume like this, or just simply tap on the left side button like that and increase the volume, and basically it can help you to hear the voice message. But if the problem still persists, the last thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to go to the App Store on your device and check if the WhatsApp is updated. If it is not updated, because maybe this is a problem with the old version of WhatsApp, and when you will get updated, the problem will be gone. And basically that is it. That is how you can fix WhatsApp voice message problems. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.